landscape photography taken care of with my DJI Mavic 2 Pro. We're gonna head out right now to the Cajon Pass. The goal for today is to get a great shot that I can hopefully secure my entry into the SkyPixel, I believe it's the 6th annual aerial photography challenge. Hopefully I'll get a good one. We're gonna experiment with the pano shots and the intelligent flight mode of the DJI Mavic 2. We're in the Cajon Pass right now. The San Andreas Fault runs right through here. Trying my luck with the drone to capture some bracketed shots, do some manual HDR to enter in the SkyPixel 6th annual aerial photography and video challenge. Hopefully I can even place in the thing. Some insane drone photographers out there. But a little about me, I have hundreds of hours flying DJI drones, but prior to that I was actually shooting with a fully manual Hubsan, just like a code black drone, something that I could put up in the air and just see what it looked like from the sky, and that's where I got the bug. And so since then I've started a business. I left my career in insurance to start a photography business, shoot real estate all across Orange County and LA, and I'm finding that the insurance business experience is actually bringing a lot more to the whole business side of this process than I originally anticipated, and it's actually given me a huge leap forward. So be sure to subscribe to this channel if you have any interest in starting a photography business. I learned quickly, and here I am. I'm supporting myself with my business. I do real estate day to day, but ultimately what I'm trying to do here is transition away and into landscape photography. Probably never stop shooting real estate. I do enjoy it quite a bit, but this is what I want to be shooting. More on the business side of this later. Right now, I want to get to the photography competition. Gonna get the drone up in the air. Alright, we're just about done, but I'm gonna head up onto this ridge up here, see if I can get a good golden hour shot with my DSLR, and also I brought the drone, hoping to get a couple shots with the drone while I'm up here too. So let's check it out, see what we can get. Alright, so I found a little pathway up between these rocks, right up through here. So I'm gonna go head up there, set the tripod, see if I can get a couple decent shots up here. Right back there is the Cajon Pass, running right down the San Andreas Fault. Sweet. Got some creepers. Anyways, all right, so that was a good sesh. Got some great shots up here. As you see, I mean, the sun hasn't completely set yet, but I feel pretty content with what I have so far. Did I get a winning photo? I highly doubt it, but really looking forward to getting home and putting these on the computer to see what they look like, especially some of these panos in the intelligent flight mode settings of DJI Mavic 2 Pro. I like to edit in RAW. I think it actually is gonna, if I set it up correctly, it's gonna produce a raw copy of each one so I can manually stitch it together later. But the automatically stitched together pano is going to be in JPEG. So we'll see. I could probably come up with some pretty good results either way. Check it out, and one last shot. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can follow me along this journey and help support me in my journey to becoming a landscape photographer. We got some crazy people up on that hill right there. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.